So if you want to see how I created this look using the Colourpop Chasing Rainbows palette, just keep on watching. I've been asked to use the Colourpop Chasing Rainbows palette. I've already concealed one eye, and I've basically been asked to use these shades here down on the bottom, but I am going to use Woke first as a transition shade. I'm just using my fluffy brush. Now I have not set my concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Bring It, and I'm going to go just here. I'm just gonna dab it first. I'm using a clean fluffy brush. I'm going back in with Woke, that shade that I just used as my transition, and I'm just gonna dab that along the edge of that green. Because I don't want that green to get out of hand, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more. And then I'm going again back in with that transition shade just to blend out those edges so it's not so harsh, but I do still want that green to pop. Yeah, so it's kind of like more focused on the inside of the crease and it just flares out a little bit. Nice. Then I'm gonna go in with Lucid here. I'm just gonna wet my brush and I'm gonna take that like on the inside of the lid. And I'm not gonna go the full length of the lid because I'm now gonna go in with on one, and again just wet that brush, and I'm gonna continue it on. And kind of blend the two together a little bit where they meet. And then I'm going to go in with Prism here and bring that on the outer corner. This is like a blackish kind of brown. I'm going to take a little bit more of that green and put it over top. Yeah, so it's more of a like a, it's kind of just made it a little bit smoky. Cool. The mixture of that green and black I'm going to run underneath my lower lash line. And this shade here, Eclipse, I'm going to put on the inner corner. Yup. So this is the finished look. I've gone and I've fixed my makeup and all of that because it's been a long day. Gosh, I'm just so glad that I can now just relax for the evening, played with some makeup. Done. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.